Welcome back to the new Auto Review TV. Aaj hum lakar I hain ek machine jo surf shalti nahi, baake sur gumati hai. Ye hai the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre Keyvany edition, ek electric ultra-luxury coupe jo power, presents our prestige co next level par la jati hai. Rolls-Royce Key smooth silent drive our Keyvany ka aggressive carbon fiber makeover, dono milkar is car ko ek moving masterpiece bana di hain. Shuru hoda hai op ko sab se pella front fasa ka shock milta hai. Keyvany ne Spectre ko ek wide carbon grille frame, deep cut air vents our razor sharp LED signature lines di hain. Jab ye road par glide karti hai, to iska presence kisi spaceship se kam nahi lagta. Carbon hood, extended splitter our sculpted fenders wind ko nahi, baake rule karne ke liye design ki ge hain. Side profile par aut hai ek our surprise milta hai, massive forged Keyvany wheels jo Spectre ko ek royal sports stance deed hain. Electric coupe key silent body, lekin personality full beast mode. Wide body kit k soth Spectre our be planted lagti hai, jays road par kisi king ka hak ho. Carbon side skirts our floating roofline every angle ko cinematic bana deed hain. Rear end par full carbon diffuser, sharp arrow fins our Keyvany ka signature ducktail spoiler, ye sab milkar airflow ko control kart hain our look ko pure aggression mind batal deed hain. Taillights key soft glow our electric silence milkar ek supernatural vibe create kart hain, jays car chal nahi rahi, baake hawa ko cut kart hue glide car rahi ho. Interior mine Rolls-Royce ka magic apni peak par hoda hai. Starlight roof, bespoke leather, illuminated door panels, whisper quiet cabin, ye sab milkar Spectre ko asli luxury spaceship bana deed hain. Sab kuch handcrafted, sab kuch personalized, sab kuch effortless. Our Keyvany upgrades cabin ko ek sporty elite feel dedi hain without compromising the royal comfort. Performance key bot karain to 577 horsepower. Instant torque our near perfect weight balance is electric monster ko 0 to 100 km per hour talk surf kuch seconds mind pocha deta high. Drive smooth be high, powerful be, our pori tara silent G's Rolls-Royce, magic carpet ride, ket hain. Lekin Keyvany tuning k bot handling our be sharp ho jati high, G's drive karna ek luxury sport experience banjata high. 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre Keyvany surf ek car nahi, ye ek statement high. Power, beauty our exclusivity ka combination jo road par kisi ko be impress karne ke liye kafi high. Agar op electric future ko royal style mine experience karna chat hain, diye machine opni class mine bilkul akeli kati high. Agar apko ye review pasand aya ho to like karain, subscribe karain, our bell icon dabana na bulan. Yada the new Auto Review TV, milt hain next video mine ek our jaw dropping machine k soth.